Hey everyone, Roman here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and files from your laptop and phone. Well, alright, let's get started. Go over to System Preferences, then go to Bluetooth. Then over here you should see an option to connect your phone. There it is. So what you're going to want to do is hit connect. Then I'll show you this code, and on your phone, as you can see here, it'll say this. So make sure you hit pair. Then it'll pair. Then you'll see an option that's over here on my devices that says your device. So what you want to do on your phone is just connect to it by just hitting it. And then it'll show that it is connected. Then what you want to do is then go over to Bluetooth file exchange. Then you choose which documents you want to save. So I'm just going to do a whole bunch of these. And then hit send. And then over here you choose where do you want to send your device. Now this both works on an iPhone and on an Android. So then just hit it and then hit send. A quick and easy way to send photos and files from your iPhone to a Mac is using AirDrop. So go over to Finder, then go over to AirDrop. Then you'll see this that says allow me to be discovered by no one. You're going to want to change that and hit everyone. You can change this later on, but to send files and photos from your phone, you're going to need to do it to everyone. Then on your phone, what you want to do is select the photo, then hit the button. Then you'll see a button over here that says AirDrop or your device. So you're going to want to hit that. In my case, it says Roman's MacBook Air. So you're going to want to hit it, and then it's going to send. Then once it says sent, that means it's successfully sent. Then go over to downloads, and then you'll see the photo that we just sent from our phone to the Mac. To send photos from your Android to your Mac, all you need to do is go over to gallery, then select a photo you want, and then you'll see a button on the bottom that says share. Then what you're going to want to do is hit Bluetooth. Then you're going to see an option to share your device, and then it'll send it to your Mac. On a PC, what you need to do is first plug in your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Once you plug it in, it'll open File Explorer, and on your phone, if you're on an iPhone, it'll say allow this device to access photos and videos. So what you're going to want to do is hit allow. Then what you can do is go into internal storage, DCIM, and then just go into the folder. Then you'll see all your photos over here. Now what you can just do is start bringing in photos into your desktop. So I just put it to my desktop, and now look, the photo is right there. Now to do the opposite, a quick and easy way to send files from your computer to your phone is using Google Drive. So I'm here on Google Drive right now. You're just gonna wanna hit new, file, upload. Then you'll start choosing a file. Once it's done uploading, go to Google Drive on your phone, and then you'll see it on your phone, the image. Alright guys, that was a quick video on how to transfer photos and files from your laptop and your phone. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get a notification when a new video like this gets posted. Well, as always guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye.